This is lovely Jessica. We will be starting with a clean, natural look, and on top of that we are going to build a beautiful, glamorous look. Alright, her skin is moisturized, and I will be adding foundation. The foundation that I've chose for her, it's NARS, and I will be applying it with a damp beauty blender to create a more sheer, even coverage. Just pressing this beautiful foundation onto her skin for an even, natural finish. I am choosing caramel for her under eye concealer. Look up. Whatever is left on the brush, I'll bring it down and around the wings of the nose. The other side. Whatever is left again on the wings of the nose. Maybe a little around the mouth. Okay, into your beautiful brows. Brush them up. You actually need to fill in. And I'm mimicking hair-like strokes. Brushing up. Because we are going for a very natural look, I'll be using a very subtle, soft rose gold in her eyelids. Use it really lightly. pop-off blush. For her lips, I'm gonna use a tinted lip balm. Pinch of powder. Usually this is how I present them. She has beautiful curl lashes, so and really nice and dark, so I'm not gonna add for the first round any mascara, so she's perfect for a natural look.